Meaning of GDR.
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 GDR. GDR stands for German Democratic Republic, which was the official name of East Germany from 1949 to 1990. It was a socialist state that was established in the Soviet zone of German occupation after World War II and was eventually dissolved after the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. During its existence, the GDR had a planned economy, a one-party political system, and limited individual freedoms. It was part of the Eastern Bloc, allied with the Soviet Union, and opposed to the capitalist West led by the United States.